We're doing a 5-day surf trip to Maui. Check it out, daily vlogs every day. It's gonna be sweet.
What's going on, everyone? It's Saturday morning and we're getting ready to head to Maui. So the Coconut Boys are heading out. We're gonna go explore Maui for the next 5 days. We got a lot of really sick adventures planned. We're gonna do some hikes, surfing, exploring the town over there. Stay tuned for daily vlogs.
Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and follow us on the adventure because it's gonna be a sweet one. We're gonna surf some big waves over there. We got 3 giant wave storms. That's right, wave storms right here. That's what the pros surf. Isn't that right, Isaac?
That's right.
Brad, he's clueless.
All right, first stop in Maui, we're gonna go grab some food. We looked up a place on Yelp, tin roof. We'll let you guys know how it is. Brad, you excited?
Very excited. Always excited. He's always excited.
All right, Mochiko chicken from Tin Roof in Maui. About to destroy it. Let's go.
You're not about to destroy it.
Oh yeah, shrimp baby.
You're not good.
So good.
What's up, guys? We just made it to the Airbnb in Maui. Honestly, really stoked with the place. It's beautiful weather, couldn't ask for a better day. The drive over here was really short, only 30 minutes. We're gonna go make the best of it. Gonna go to the beach, play some spike ball, do some cliff jumping. It'll be sweet. Stay tuned for the daily vlogs. To Kahului Beach.
Yes. So we're on the way to the beach. We're going to do some questions around the car. Ashwin, tell us about your first sexual experience.
How long you got?
I'm just kidding, it's a short story.
What's going on? So we made it down to the beach. We are at Black Rock Beach. The name of the beach comes from that rock over there, where we're gonna go cliff jump in a second. We have a great rainbow to welcome us. Looks like a good time. Look at the water. I'm in love. Come on, Mark.
Let's do it, Mark.
Come on, Mark.
He's like scrambling to get up there.
Come on, Mark. You're holding up the line.
One eternity later.
What's up, everyone? We're wrapping up our first day here in Maui, just hanging by the pool, listening to some live music, and watching the sunset. Check that out right there. Make sure to stay tuned. We're doing daily vlogs for the next 5 days. We're dropping videos every single day. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, and make sure to leave comments down below. We got a lot of cool adventures planned for you guys. We're going to do some cliff jumping, snorkeling, diving, surfing, hiking, exploring. It's going to be an awesome next 5 days. Make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to Coconut Life.